Emergency situations demand urgent attention. This, and that can happen to anyone. Hospitals will not negotiate payments with you. How prepared are you?
Unless I brought my friend.
Hey! Now I have no choice than to use the money I've saved up for rent for hospital bill.
I'm well prepared. I have my ACE medical insurance card.
Prepare yourself for unexpected situations like these. Get yourself a backup plan, an affordable yet full covering one. Can't visit the hospital? No worries, we've got you covered with our telemedicine service. Can't go to the pharmacy for your prescribed medications? Our ACE Pharmacy on Wheels will handle that. Oh, and lastly, our ACE Medical app will provide you with all the necessary information about our packages and services. Enjoy the best there is in healthcare insurance with us. Join ACE Medical Insurance today.
New look, new bottle, same irresistible taste. Available in your nearest shop.
This advert is FDA approved.
In Ghana, hair means a lot of things. When you see that beautiful car you've always dreamed about.
Yes, the fourth generation.
Or when you can't believe that unimaginable toli your friend is telling you. But the hair of all hairs is that heavenly feel when you bite a slice of Papa's Pizza.
Papa's Pizza. Taste it, love it. Papa's Pizza. Taste it, love it. Mommy is coming. Have you cleaned the kitchen? Done all the chores?
Yes, ma'am.
Then it's time for
Dole yogurt. Dole yogurt. Everybody, grab Dole. It's delicious, creamy, and refreshing too. Mommies love it, and dads enjoy it, and the children, they love it. With a cup of Dole yogurt, with a cup of Dole, with a cup of Dole yogurt, with a cup of Dole. Dole yogurt. Dole yogurt.
Dad, including mocha, Cabo has 5 flavors: banana, strawberry, chocomalt, coconut. What's the 5th one?
Banana.
Banana? Okay, Dad. Including mocha, Cabo has 5 flavors: banana, strawberry, chocomalt, and coconut. What is the 5th one?
Strawberry.
No.
Are you feeling hot?
Honey, including mocha, Cabo has 5 flavors: strawberry, banana, chocomalt, coconut. What's the 5th one?
Chocomalt?
Hey!
Coconut!
Hey!
Nutritious and refreshing, Cowbell has a flavor for everyone.
They think I don't know.
This advert is FDA approved.
Emergency situations demand urgent attention. This, and that can happen to anyone. Hospitals will not negotiate payments with you. How prepared are you?
Unless I brought my friend.
Hey! Now I have no choice than to use the money I've saved up for rent for hospital bill.
I'm well prepared. I have my ACE medical insurance card.
Prepare yourself for unexpected situations like these. Get yourself a backup plan, an affordable yet full covering one. Can't visit the hospital? No worries, we've got you covered with our telemedicine service. Can't go to the pharmacy for your prescribed medications? Our ACE Pharmacy on Wheels will handle that. Oh, and lastly, our ACE Medical app We provide you with all the necessary information about our packages and services. Enjoy the best there is in healthcare insurance with us. Join Ace Medical Insurance today.
Another season of the National Science and Maths Quiz. 135 schools can compete for one trophy. Kumasi will host the brightest minds in science and maths from the 26th of October. Catch all the contests on TV, radio, and online. The 2021 National Science and Maths Quiz is produced by Primetime Limited and sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with APSA Ghana and supported by Joy News, Goyle, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Etel Tigo, Danomel, Academic City University College, Kenya Airways, Adanse Travels, Accra College of Medicine, GTP, and YFL. The broadcast of the National Science and Maths Quiz on Joy News is supported by Cowbell, our milk high in protein and vitamins, Papa's Pizza, taste it, love it, Ace Medical Insurance, the new phase of health financing, Tampico, simply irresistible, DBS Industries Limited, we truly are your roof experts. Delay your guts, more, I need more.
Have you cleaned the kitchen? Done all the chores?
Yes, ma'am.
Then it's time for
Dole yogurt, Dole yogurt. Everybody, grab Dole. It's delicious, creamy, and refreshing too. Mommies love it, and dads enjoy it, and the children, they love it. Raise a cup, it's Dole yogurt. Raise a cup, it's Dole. Raise a cup, it's Dole yogurt. Raise a cup, it's Dole. Dole yogurt. Dole yogurt.
Tampico. New look, new bottle, same irresistible taste. Available in your nearest shop.
This advert is FDA approved.
Hello, welcome to the 2021 National Championship of the National Science and Maths Quiz. This is the preliminary stage where schools that qualified from the regionals compete to book a place in the 1/8 stage of the competition. Competing in the first preliminary stage contest in the Bono Ahafo zone are Nkoranza Senior High Technical School, Kintampo Senior High School, and Bomaa Senior High School. Let's meet the gentlemen representing their school. Nkoranza Senior High Technical School is represented by Okay. Kintampo Senior High School is represented by and then we have Bomaa Senior High School represented by and
Alex Fine.
Okay. So you are all welcome to this stage. Hopefully you give us an exciting contest. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Absa Bank and supported by Joy News, GOIL, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Airtel Tigo, Dano Milk, Joy Industries, Accra College of Medicine, Academic City College, Adanse Travels, Kenya Airways, Zipline, GTP, and YFM. I am Dr. Anita Opon, and I'll be your quiz mistress. This is a primetime production. I will start with round 1. And in round 1, questions will be posed to each school, and contestants, you have 30 seconds to give me an answer if the question involves calculation. If it does not involve calculation, you have 10 seconds to give me an answer on a one attempt in the sense that when you start your answer, continue. If you stop and you want to even start, tell me the exact same thing you started with. Do you understand that? Okay. If the answer you give me is correct, the school gets 3 points. If it's incorrect, I may pass it on to the other 2 schools, and the first to press the bell will have the opportunity to answer for 1 point. But if that answer is incorrect, there will be a deduction of 1 point from your already accrued.
Their body temperature constant, whilst does not allow the cold-blooded animal.
I cannot hear you.
The effect of temperature change in warm-blooded animals allow the organism to maintain their body temperature constant.
Okay.
But that is not okay in the cold-blooded animals.
That is not correct. For a bonus, okay, so the metabolic rates of cold-blooded animals depend entirely on the environmental temperature, but warm-blooded animals do not need changes in the environment to affect their metabolic rates. Kintampo Senior High, resistance against disease-causing organisms. Yes, Emmanuel.
Madam, dealing with
into the microphone, please.
Dealing with cold blood animals, they are less resistant to diseases, whilst in warm-blooded animals, they have a high resistance to diseases. They can withstand diseases.
That is correct. Nkoranza Senior High Technical School, heat source. Yes, Titus.
In cold-blooded animals, their heat source depends entirely on the environment. Thus, their heat is generated from the environment. But in the warm-blooded animals, they can generate their own heat internally by metabolic activities.
That is correct. Another preamble to all schools. Provide the product formed and a balanced reaction equation for the following decompositions. Provide the product formed and a balanced reaction equation for the following decomposition. So for this, they will need 30 seconds for these questions. Bomaa Senior High, yours is heating of copper 2 oxide. Yes, Alex?
The products are copper, metal, and oxygen. And the balance equation is 2 moles of CuO plus O2 producing 2Cu2 plus O2.
2 out of 3. Kintampo Senior High, heating of magnesium hydroxide. Yes, Emmanuel.
Okay, madam. For the product side, we are having Mg2 plus 2OH minus. That's for the product side. And the balance equation will be, that's the Mg bracket open, OH bracket close, that's subscript 2 going into Mg2 plus 2OH minus.
1 out of 3. Sorry, that's incorrect. That's incorrect. Nkoranza Senior High Technical School.
Madam, the product forms are magnesium oxide and water, and the balance equation is Mg bracket open, OH bracket close subscript 2 going into MgO plus H2O.
That is correct. Nkoranza Senior High Technical School, your question is heating of sodium triosochlorate 5. Yes, Ernest.
We have the product is sodium oxide and chlorine gas and oxygen gas, and the balanced chemical equation is 2NaClO3 going into Na subscript 2O plus Cl subscript 2 plus 3O subscript 2.
That is incorrect. For a bonus, okay, so for Bomaa, you gave the correct product, but the reaction was wrong. You added oxygen to the reactant. So the correct reaction equation is 2CO going into 2Cu. Let me take that again. The answer is 2CuO going into 2Cu plus O2. And the products were copper metal and then oxygen. Then for the heating of sodium triosochlorate, the products are sodium chloride and oxygen. And the balanced equation is 2NaClO3 going into 2NaCl plus 3O2. A preamble to all schools. Solve the logarithmic equation. Solve the logarithmic equation. Bomaa Senior High, yours is log into bracket x squared plus 6 equals 1 plus log into bracket x minus 1. Yes, Nkoranza for a bonus.
X is equal to 8 or 2.
That is correct. Kintampo Senior High, log, bracket open, x squared plus 3x, bracket closed, equals 1. Emmanuel.
The the factors of x
Into the microphone, please. Yes.
the factors of x will be -5 and 2.
That is correct. Nkoranza, yours is log, bracket open, x squared plus 10, bracket closed, equals 1 plus log, bracket open, x plus 1, bracket closed. Yes, Ernest.
We have x to be 0 or 10.
That is correct. Bomaa Senior High, a 2-kilogram particle moving at 5 meters per second collides with and sticks to a stationary 3-kilogram particle. Find the common speed of the particles after the collision. Yes, Alex.
We have 25 meters per second.
That is incorrect. Kintampo Senior High. Emmanuel.
We have our answer to be 2 meters per second.
That is correct. Kintampo Senior High. A 5-kilogram particle collides with and sticks to a stationary 2-kilogram particle, and the common speed of the particles after the collision is 0.5 meters per second. Find the speed of the 5-kilogram particle before the collision. Yes, Emmanuel.
Madam, we have 7.0 meters per second.
That is incorrect.
We have 0.7 meters per second.
It is correct, but next time wait for me to give my verdict before. Okay. Your major question, Nkoranza. A 3-kilogram particle moving at 8 meters per second collides with and sticks to a stationary 1-kilogram particle. Find the common speed of the particles after the collision. Yes, Ernest?
We have 6 meters per second.
That is correct. Another preamble to all schools. Name the principal locomotory organ in the following organisms. Name the principal locomotory organ in the following organisms. Bomaa Senior High, snails. For a bonus, was your hand up? Okay, I didn't see it. Yes.
They use their internal body for locomotion.
That is not correct. For a bonus, the answer is the muscular foot. Kintampo Senior High, paramecium.
Okay. Dealing with paramecium, you use cilia.
That is correct. Nkoranza Senior High Technical School, echinoderms. Yes, Titus.
2 feet.
That is correct. Bomaa Senior High School. You are given the following reactions with their respective enthalpies. So I read the first reaction. C solid plus 2H2 gas going into CH4 gas. And the enthalpy is negative 75 kilojoules. The second reaction, C solid plus 2Cl2 gas going into CCl4 liquid. The enthalpy there is negative 135 kilojoules. And the third reaction, H2 gas plus Cl2 gas going into HCl gas. And the enthalpy change there is negative 185 kilojoules. Find the enthalpy change for the reaction CH4 gas plus 4Cl2 gas going into CCl4 liquid plus 4HCl gas. For a bonus, yes, Nkoranza Senior High Technical School.
Negative 1,800 kilojoule per mole.
That is not correct. The answer is negative 430 kilojoules. Kintampo Senior High. You are given the following reactions with their respective enthalpies. N2 gas plus O2 gas going into 2NO gas. Enthalpy change is 180 kilojoules. The second reaction is N2 gas plus 3H2 gas going into 2NH3 gas. The enthalpy change there is negative 90 kilojoules. The third one, H2 gas plus half O2 gas going into H2O gas. Enthalpy change is negative 240 kilojoules. Find the enthalpy change for the reaction 4NH3 gas plus 5O2 gas going into 4NO gas plus 6H2O gas. You are hiding it behind your head. How will I see it? Okay, what's your answer?
You have positive 950 kilojoules per mole.
That is incorrect. For a bonus, the answer is negative 900 kilojoules. Nkoranza Senior High Technical School. You are given the following reactions with their respective enthalpies. N2 gas plus 3H2 gas going into 2NH3 gas. The enthalpy change is negative 90 kilojoules. And you have C solid plus 2H2 gas going into CH4 gas. The enthalpy change is negative 75 kilojoules. Then you have 2C solid plus H2 gas plus N2 gas going into 2HCN gas. And the enthalpy change there is 270 kilojoules. Find the enthalpy change for the reaction CH4 gas plus NH3 gas going into HCN gas plus 3H2 gas. Yes, Titus.
Then we have positive 150 kilojoule per mole.
Did you say 150?
Yes.
That is not correct. For a bonus, the answer is 255 kilojoules. So for learning purposes, Bomaa Senior High, you had to reverse equation 1, then equation 2, it stays the same. Equation 3 multiplied by 2, then you add the 3 equations, should give you your answer, which is negative 430. Kintampo Senior High, you multiply equation 1 by 2, you reverse equation 2 by multiply it by 2, then equation 3 you multiply it by 6, then you add them, you should get negative 900. Then equation Nkoranza Senior High Technical School, yours, you reverse equation 1 and then divide it by 2. Then you reverse equation 2, reverse equation 3 and divide by 2. Then you add, you should get 255 kilojoules. A preamble to all schools. Determine whether triangle ABC with the given sides ABC is an obtuse, acute, or a right angle triangle. Determine whether triangle ABC with the given sides ABC is an acute, obtuse, or a right angle triangle. Bomaa Senior High, A is given as 5 centimeters, B is 10 centimeters, C 11 centimeters. Yes.
It's an acute triangle.
That is correct. Kintampo Senior High, A is 8 centimeters, B is 10 centimeters, C is 13 centimeters. Yes, Emmanuel.
Then please, it's an acute angle.
Into the microphone.
It's an acute angle.
That is incorrect. Yes, Bomaa Senior High.
It's an obtuse triangle.
I cannot hear you.
Obtuse triangle.
That is correct. Nkoranza Senior High Technical School. A is 12 centimeters, B is 16 centimeters, and C is 20 centimeters. Yes, Titus.
Right angle triangle.
That is correct. The last set of questions for round 1. Bomaa Senior High School. Find the total charge on a parallel capacitor network made up of a 2 microfarad, a 3 microfarad, and a 10 microfarad capacitor when the potential difference across the network is 20 volts. Yes, Alex.
3.0 microcoulombs.
You said 3.0
microcoulombs.
That is not correct. Nkoranza Senior High.
300 microcoulombs.
That is correct. Kintampo Senior High, a parallel capacitor network is made up of 2 microfarad, a 4 microfarad, and an 8 microfarad capacitor. Find the potential difference at which the network stores a total charge of 0.7 millicoulomb. Yes, Emmanuel.
Madam, we have
Ima
200 volts.
That is not correct. Yes, Bomaa Senior High.
9.1 nanocoulomb.
That is not correct. The answer is 50 volts. Nkoranza, your major question. Find the total charge on a parallel capacitor network made up of a 3 microfarad, a 4 microfarad, and a 5 microfarad capacitor when the potential difference across the network is 5 volts. Yes, Titus?
60 microcoulomb.
That is correct. And that ends round 1.
Kaba has 5 flavors: banana, strawberry, chocolate, coconut. What's the 5th one?
Banana.
Banana?
Okay, Dad. Including mocha, Kaba has 5 flavors: banana, strawberry, chocolate, and coconut. What is the 5th one?
Strawberry.
No.
Are you feeling hot?
Honey, including mocha. Kaba has 5 flavors: strawberry, banana, chocolate, coconut. What's the 5th one?
Chocomalt.
Hey!
Coconut.
Hey! Nutritious and refreshing, Cowbell has a flavor for everyone.
They think I don't know.
This advert is FDA approved.
Have you cleaned the kitchen? Done all the chores?
Yes, ma'am.
Then it's time for
Doleo, Doleo yogurt, Doleo, Doleo yogurt. Everybody, grab Doleo. It's delicious, creamy, and refreshing too. Mommies love it, and dads enjoy it, and the children, they love it. Raise a cup, it's Doleo yogurt. Raise a cup, it's Doleo. Raise a cup, it's Doleo yogurt. Raise a cup, it's Doleo. Doleo, Doleo yogurt. Doleo, Doleo yogurt.
In Ghana, hair means a lot of things. When you see that beautiful car you've always dreamed about.
Yes, the 4th generation.
Or when you can't believe that on
At the end of round 1, Bomaa Senior High School has 5 points. Kintampo Senior High School has 10 points. And Nkoranza Senior High Technical School has 21 points. With that, we move to round 2. In round 2, Questions will be posed to all schools simultaneously. And the first school to press the bell will have the opportunity to answer. And if that answer is correct, the school gets 3 points. If the answer they give me is incorrect, the second school that pressed the bell will have the opportunity to answer for 2 points if that answer is correct. If their answer is also incorrect, the third school that pressed the bell will have the opportunity to answer for 1 point. All incorrect answers attract a deduction of 1 point. But please, this is speed race. When you press the bell, your answer should be ready. No delayance. Do not read the question back to me. Do not tell me the value of X is. Don't tell me that A went to B, went to C to give me my answer. Just give the answer. If it is a fraction, a fraction. If it is a boy, it is a boy. Straight to the point. If you press the bell, and that is when you are going to discuss with your partner to give me an answer, I will move to the next school. Is that understood? Should I repeat it? I'm saying it's a speed race. So when you press the bell, it means your answer is ready. You are now doing your calculation. So when you press the bell, just give me your answer. Do not start with the value of X is A went to B and crossed C. No. Straight to the point. A boy, a fraction. Okay. I begin round 2. What type of pollination is referred to as onitophy? Pollination by birds. What name is given to the conversion of atmospheric nitrogen to effective nitrogen compounds? Yes, Kintampo Senior High.
Ammonification.
Into the microphone.
Ammonification.
That is not correct. Yes, Bomaa Senior High.
Denitrification.
Denitrification. Is that what you said? That is incorrect. The answer is nitrification. Why is metaphase the best stage of cell division to study chromosome morphology? Because at that stage, chromosomes are highly condensed, so they can easily get stained. Given that 6.0 times 10 to the power 22 molecules of methane was released from a vessel containing an original amount of 6.4 grams, determine the number of molecules of methane remaining in the container. Take the molecular mass of methane as 16 grams per mole and the Avogadro's number as 6.0 times 10 to the power 23. Yes, Nkoranza Senior High.
You have 6.16 by 10 exponent 22 molecules.
That is not correct. The answer is 1.8 times 10 to the power 23. Determine the sum of the stoichiometric coefficient of all reactants and products present in a balanced equation of the reaction ZNS plus ALP going into ZN3P2 plus AL2S3. Yes, Nkoranza Senior High.
6.
That is incorrect. Yes, Bomaa Senior High.
7.
That is correct. How many molecules of water are present in hydrated Na2HPO4, given that the molecular mass of the hydrated salt is 268.1 grams? You are given the atomic mass in grams per mole of sodium, phosphorus, oxygen, and hydrogen as 23, 31, 16, and 1.0. The answer is 7. 3 angles are in a ratio of 1:4:5. Find the angles if the first and third angles are supplementary. Yes, Nkoranza Senior High Technical School.
We have 30 degrees, 120 degrees, and 150 degrees.
That is correct. A charity has raised 75,000 Ghana cedis. If they aim at raising 500,000 Ghana cedis, what percentage of the target amount has been raised? Yes, Nkoranza Senior High Technical School.
15%.
That is correct. Express the exponential equation y to the power 3 equals 100 divided by x squared as a logarithmic equation in simplified form. Yes, Nkoranza Senior High Technical School.
We have 3 log y is equal to log. We have 3 log y is equal to minus 2 log x.
Kintampo Senior High School.
We have 2 log y 10 over x is equal to 3.
That is incorrect. The answer is 3 log y equals 2 minus 2 log x. A 40 Newton force is applied at a point 0.2 meters from the fulcrum in such a manner that the line of action of the force makes an angle of 30 degrees with the line joining the point and the fulcrum. Find the magnitude of the torque of the force. Yes, Nkoranza Senior High.
We have the torque to be 4.0 Newton meter.
That is incorrect. Who pressed? 3, Bomaa Senior High.
4 Newton meter.
That is correct. Find the magnitude of the acceleration of a 2 kilogram object when the magnitude of the net force on it is 80 newtons. Yes, Nkoranza Senior High?
40 meters per second squared.
That is correct. The potential difference across a capacitor is 6 volts when the charge on it is 20 microcoulomb. Find the potential difference at which the charge on the capacitor is 30 microcoulomb. Yes, Nkoranza Senior High.
90 microcoulomb.
That is not correct. Kintampo Senior High School.
40 microcoulomb.
That is not correct. The answer is 9 volts. And that ends round 2.
In Ghana, hair means a lot of things. When you see that beautiful car you've always dreamed about.
Yes, the 4th generation.
Or when you can't believe that unimaginable toli your friend is telling you. But the hair of all hairs is that heavenly feel when you bite a slice of Papa's pizza.
Papa's Pizza. Taste it, love it. Papa's Pizza.
New look, new bottle, same irresistible taste. Available in your nearest shop.
This advert is FDA approved.
It's another season of the National Science and Maths Quiz. 135 schools can compete for 1 trophy. Kumasi will host the brightest minds in science and maths from the 26th of October. Catch all the contests on TV, radio, and online. The 2021 National Science and Maths Quiz is produced by Primetime Limited and sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with APSA Ghana and supported by Joy News, Goyle, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Etel Tigo, Danomeo, Academic City University College, Kenya Airways, Adanse Travels, Accra College of Medicine, GTP, and YFL. The broadcast of the National Science and Maths Quiz on Joy News is supported by Cowbell, our milk high in protein and vitamins, Papa's Pizza, taste it, love it, Ace Medical Insurance, the new phase of health financing, Tampico, simply irresistible, DBS Industries Limited, we truly are your roof experts. Delay your guts, more, I need more.
Emergency situations demand urgent attention. This, and that can happen to anyone. Hospitals will not negotiate payments with you. How prepared are you?
Unless I brought my friend.
Hey! Now I have no choice than to use the money I've saved up for rent for a hospital bill.
I'm well prepared. I have my Ace Medical Insurance card.
Prepare yourself for unexpected situations like these. Get yourself a backup plan, an affordable yet full covering one. Can't visit the hospital? No worries, we've got you covered with our telemedicine service. Can't go to the pharmacy for your prescribed medications? Our Ace Pharmacy on Wheels will handle that. Oh, and lastly, our Ace Medical app will provide you with all the necessary information about our packages and services. Enjoy the best there is in healthcare insurance with us. Join Ace Medical Insurance today.
At the end of round 2, Kintampo Senior High School has 7 points. Bomaa Senior High School has 8 points. And Nkoranza Senior High Technical School has 25 points. We move to round 3, and this is known as the problem of the day round. At stake in this round is the Prudential Life Insurance NSMQ Star. The NSMQ Star is awarded to the team that earns a perfect score of 10 for the problem of the day. A star at this stage is worth 2,000 Ghana cedis to the team. The problem of the day is a complex question which is given to all schools, and contestants, you have 4 minutes to give the solution directly on the boards. After the 4 minutes, I will grade your solutions and the points would be awarded. The problem of the day today is from mathematics. You may now turn over your sheets as I go through the problem of the day. A sequence is given by log to the base 3 of 2, log to the base 3 of 6, log to the base 3, 18, log to the base 3, 54, and on it goes. So I identify the sequence completely. 2, find an expression for the nth term of the sequence as a logarithm. Find the position of the term log to the base 3, 486 in the sequence. And then 4, find the sum of the first 10 terms of the sequence as a logarithm. And that is the problem of the day. Contestants, you have 4 minutes. The 4 minutes starts now. Stop. Please put your markers down. Okay, let's go through the solutions given. So 1, identify the sequence completely. So the first term is log to the base 3 of 2. And you are given the second term, so you find the second term, which is log to the base 3 of 6, as log to the base 3 of 2 plus log to the base 3 of 3. So you have it as log to the base 3 of 2 plus 1. If you do the same thing for the third term, you will get log to the base 3 of 2 plus 2. Then the fourth term, you will get log to the base 3 of 2 plus 3. Hence, the linear sequence with first term A equals log to the base 3 of 2, and then a common difference D equals 1. If you're able to get that, you get 4 points for the first one. Then find an expression for the nth term of the sequence in the logarithm. You have un equals a plus into brackets n minus 1 brackets close d. And we know a to be equal to log to the base 3 of 2 plus, and then the n minus 1, d is 1. So if we put in the equation, we will get log to the base 3 of 2 multiplying 3 raised to the power n minus 1. That should give you 2 points. Then 3, find the position of the term log to the base 3, 486 in the sequence. If you break it down, you get log to the base 3, 2 multiplying 243. And that is log to the base 3, 2 multiplying 3 to the power 5. That's log to the base 3, 2 into brackets 3 raised to the power 6 minus 1, hence is the sixth term. And then we have find the sum of the first 10 terms of the sequence as a logarithm. We have tens, the sum of the first terms, to be equal to 10 divided by 2 multiplying 2a plus 10 minus 1 multiplying the difference. So we get 5. A is log to the base 3 of 2, so it will be 5, bracket open 2 log to the base 3 of 2 plus 9. And therefore, the expression will be 5 log to the base 3 of 4 multiplying 3 to the power 9. And that should give you another 2 points. That is the solution for the problem of the day. If we look at the solution from Bomaa Senior High, they were able to deduce the difference, which is supposed to be 1. So they get, that was all they were able to do. I don't know what happened after that. So they get 1 out of 10. Kintampo also was able to find they found the first term that gave them 1 point. And then they found the difference, which is also 1 point, and that was it. So they actually tried to deduce the term for the nth term, but instead of 3, they put 1 there. So they get 2 out of 10. Then for Nkoranza Senior High, they were also able to find the first term and the difference. They only found the first term. The difference, I don't know. They could have gone on to deduce it, but they did not. So they get the 1 point for the first term. And then for finding the position of the term for log to the base 3 of 486, they got that one correct, and it's 6. So they get 2 points there and 1 point for the first term. They get 3 out of 10. And that ends round 3.
Another season of the National Science and Maths Quiz. 135 schools can compete for 1 trophy. Kumasi will host the brightest minds in science and maths from the 26th of October. Catch all the contests on TV, radio, and online. The 2021 National Science and Maths Quiz is produced by Primetime Limited and sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with APSA Ghana and supported by Joy News, Goyle, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Etel Tigo, Danomel, Academic City University College, Kenya Airways, Adanse Travels, Accra College of Medicine, GTP, and YFM. The broadcast of the National Science and Math Quiz on Joy News is supported by Cowbell, our milk high in protein and vitamins. Papa's Pizza, taste it, love it. Ace Medical Insurance, the new phase of health financing. Tampico, simply irresistible. DBS Industries Limited, we truly are your roof experts. Delay your guts, more, I need more.
At the end of round 3, Kintampo Senior High School has 9 points. Bomaa Senior High School has 9 points. And Nkoranza Senior High Technical School has 28 points. Before we move to round 4, there are some substitutions. For Bomaa Senior High School, Ajay Dakwa Raphael is going out for Kolan Moses to come in. Then for Nkoranza Senior High Technical School, NSMQ2021 is going out for Belinda Aburam to come in. Extend, yes, okay. Welcome, Belinda and Kulan. Can we start? Are you ready? Okay. So we move to round 4. In round 4, a statement will be posed to each school, and contestants, you tell me whether the statement I made is true or false. If the answer you give is correct, the school gets 2 points. If it's incorrect, a deduction of 1 point. You may choose not to answer, for which the statement will be passed on to the other 2 schools, and the first to press the bell will have the opportunity to answer for 2 points if it's correct, and a deduction of 1 point if it's not correct. This time I'll be starting from Nkoranza Senior High Technical School. But it's a preamble to all schools. Indicate whether the following are true or false with regards to respiratory system of humans. Indicate whether the following are true or false with respect to respiratory system of humans. Nkoranza Senior High Technical School. Humidifies the air. True. That is correct. Kintampo Senior High warms up the air. Yes, Emmanuel.
True.
That is correct. Bomaa Senior High removes pathogens from the air. Yes, Colin.
It's false.
That is correct. A preamble to all school. For a given bond, Nkoranza Senior High Technical School, bond order is directly proportional to bond length. Yes, Belinda. True. That is not correct, Belinda. Kintampo Senior High, bond order is inversely proportional to bond energy. Yes, Emmanuel.
True.
That is not correct. Bomaa Senior High, bond order is inversely proportional to the number of multiple bonds. Yes, colon.
It's true.
That is not correct. Nkoranza Senior High Technical School. The point A, given as 2-1, is a solution of the inequality 3x minus 4y greater than 2. Yes, Belinda?
False.
That is correct. Kintampo Senior High, the point B, given as negative 2, 3, is a solution of the inequality 3x plus 2y less than 1. Emmanuel, is your hand up?
Madam, yes.
Yes.
Madam, it's true.
That is correct. Bomaa Senior High, the point C, given as 3, negative 2, is a solution of the inequality 2x plus 5, The point C, given as 3, negative 2, is a solution of the inequality 2x plus 3y greater than 0. Yes, colon.
It's false.
That is correct. Nkoranza Senior High Technical School. Two separated particles exert equal and opposite gravitational force on each other that is inversely proportional to the square of their separation. Yes, Belinda?
False.
That is not correct. Kintampo Senior High, the gravitational interaction between two particles is repulsive if the particles have the same sign of electric charge.
It's false.
That is correct. Bomaa Senior High School, two separated particles exert equal and opposite gravitational force on each other that is proportional to the product of their masses. Yes, colon.
It's true.
That is correct. Nkoranza Senior High Technical School. In angiosperms, the dominant stage is diploid. Yes, Belinda?
False.
That is not correct. Kintampo Senior High. In ferns, the dominant stage is diploid. Yes, Emmanuel?
It's false.
That is not correct. Bomaa Senior High. In bryophytes, the dominant stage is diploid.
It's true.
That is not correct. Nkoranza Senior High Technical School. The molecular geometry of BF3 is trigonal pyramidal. Yes, Belinda?
False.
That is correct. Kintampo Senior High, the molecular geometry of NH3 is trigonal pyramidal. Yes, Emmanuel?
True.
That is correct. Bomaa Senior High, the molecular geometry of PCl5 is trigonal pyramidal. The molecular geometry of PCl5 is trigonal bipyramidal. Yes, colon.
It's false.
Colon, that is not correct. Nkoranza Senior High Technical School. If y equals the numerator x plus 1 and the denominator x minus 1, then y is not equal to 1. Yes, Titus?
True.
That is correct. Kintampo Senior High, if y equals the numerator 2x plus 1 and the denominator x minus 2, then y is not equal to 2. Yes, Emmanuel?
That is true.
That is correct. Bomaa Senior High, if y equals the numerator x plus 2 and the denominator 2x minus 1, then y is not equal to half. Yes, Colin?
It's true.
That is correct. The last set of statements for round 4. Nkoranza Senior High Technical School. The efficiency of a simple machine is given by the ratio of its mechanical advantage to its velocity ratio. Yes, Belinda?
True.
That is correct. Kintampo Senior High, the value of the mechanical advantage of a true machine, the value of the mechanical advantage of a real machine never exceeds unity. Yes, Emmanuel?
It's true.
That is not correct. Bomaa Senior High, the velocity ratio of a simple machine has the same units as velocity, which is meter per second in the SI system. Yes, Colin?
It's false.
That is correct. And that ends round 4.
Emergency situations demand urgent attention. This, and that can happen to anyone. Hospitals will not negotiate payments with you. How prepared are you?
Unless I borrow from a friend.
Hey! No, I have no choice than to use the money I've saved up for rent for hospital bill.
I'm well prepared. I have my Ace medical insurance card.
Prepare yourself for unexpected situations like these. Get yourself a backup plan, an affordable yet full covering one. Can't visit the hospital? No worries, we've got you covered with our telemedicine service. Can't go to the pharmacy for your prescribed medications? Our Ace Pharmacy on Wheels will handle that. Oh, and lastly, our Ace Medical app will provide you with all the necessary information about our packages and services. Enjoy the best there is in healthcare insurance with us. Join Ace Medical Insurance today.
At the end of round 4, Bomaa Senior High School has 16 points. Kintampo Senior High School has 16 points. And Nkoranza Senior High Technical School has 35 points. We move to round 5, which is the riddles round. In this round, we have the Girl Riddle Bonanza, which will reward a team that solves 3 or 4 riddles correctly. At this stage, if you solve 3 riddles correctly, the team gets 800 cedis. And if you solve 4 riddles correctly, the team gets 1,200 cedis. In round 5, I'll be reading a set of clues, and contestants, if you know what I'm talking about, you can draw my attention by ringing your bell. If you ring the bell and I was on the first clue and the answer you give is correct, the school gets 5 points. If I was on the second clue, the school gets 4 points. If I was on the third or any other number of clues, the school gets 3 points. But if your answer is incorrect, you are out of the competition for that particular riddle. Let's check the bells just to be on the safer side. Nkoranza Senior High, your bell, Kintampo Senior High School, and Bomaa Senior High School. Are we ready to win some money? My first riddle. In botany, I am a type of simple dry fruits. I am composed of 3 main parts: bran, endosperm, and germ. My ovary wall is united with my seed coat, making it difficult to separate the two. I am popularly called a grain. I am found among the cereal grasses such as corn. Who am I? Yes, Bomaa Senior High. Give your answer.
A seed.
Seed. That is incorrect. Nkoranza Senior High.
Group.
I can't hear you.
Group.
Group.
Group. Group.
Please spell it.
D-R-U-P-E.
B-R.
D-R-U-P-E.
That is not correct. A droop. That is not correct. Kintampo Senior High.
You have pericarp.
Pericarp. That is not correct. Anyone? The answer is Chiopsis. Chiopsis or Chiopsis. My second riddle. I am a white crystalline solid commonly produced in pellets. Yes, Nkoranza Senior High Technical School. Belinda.
Sodium chloride.
That is not correct. I am known for my attraction to carbon dioxide gas. I react violently with strong acids and water. I am commonly produced together with chlorine. I am also referred to as lye, soda, or caustic soda. Who am I? Yes, Kintampo Senior High. Into the microphone.
Sodium hydroxide.
Say it again.
Sodium.
Into the microphone so that we can hear you.
Sodium hydroxide.
That is correct. So that is 3 points. My third riddle. I am generally a part of a curve. Specifically, I am a part of a circle. Remember, Noah made use of me. Yes, Bomaa Senior High.
An arc.
That is not correct. In this regard, there are 2 broad types of me. I am the junior partner. Yes, Kintampo Senior High.
Minor arc.
That is correct. The last riddle for the round. I am a physical law. I govern a specific interactions between particles. I am an inverse square law. Yes, Kintampo Senior High. That is not correct. When you ring the bell, just speak it into the microphone, okay? Say your answer again.
Gravitational law.
That is not correct. I am an inverse square law. I govern an interaction that can be attractive or repulsive. I am the law that specifies the force 2 charged particles. Yes, Nkoranza Senior High Technical School.
Coulomb's law.
Into the microphone.
Coulomb's law.
That is correct. I was on the last clue, so they get 3 points. And that ends round 5.
Dad, including mocha, Cabo has 5 flavors: banana, strawberry, chocolate, coconut. What's the 5th one?
Banana.
Banana?
Okay, Dad.
Including mocha, cowbell has 5 flavors: banana, strawberry, choco malt, and coconut. What is the 5th one?
Strawberry.
No.
Are you feeling hot?
Honey, including mocha, cowbell has 5 flavors: strawberry, banana, choco malt, coconut. What's the 5th one?
Choco malt.
Hey!
Coconut.
At the end of the contest, Bomaa Senior High School has 16 points. Kintampo Senior High School has 22 points. And Nkoranza Senior High Technical School has 38 points. Nkoranza, congratulations for winning the contest. And who knows, if your score stays the highest for the day, you may win the Airtel Tigo Highest Scorer Award for the day. And at this stage, it is worth 1,000 Ghana cedis. Better luck to Kintampo Senior High and Bomaa Senior High School. You may be called as one of the top runner-up schools, so keep your fingers crossed, okay? All right. Thank you for joining us for this contest. And congratulations once again to Nkoranza Senior High Technical School for winning this contest and qualifying to the 1/8 stage of the National Championship. I look forward to seeing you in Kumasi. Viewers, join us next time when we bring you the contest, which will feature Techiman Senior High School, Ola Girls Senior High School, Kenyasi, and Achirensua Senior High School. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Absa Bank and supported by Joy News, Goel, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Airtel Tigo, Dano Milk, Joy Industries, Accra College of Medicine, Academic City College, Adanse Travels, Kenya Airways, Zip Line, GTP, and YFM. I am Dr. Anita Opon. I was your quiz mistress. This is a primetime production. Thank you.
Another season of the National Science and Maths Quiz. 135 schools can compete for 1 trophy. Kumasi will host the brightest minds in science and maths from the 26th of October. Catch all the contests on TV, radio, and online. The 2021 National Science and Maths Quiz is produced by Primetime Limited and sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Absa Ghana and supported by Joy News, Goel, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Airtel Tigo, Dano Milk, Academic City University College, Kenya Airways, Adanse Travels, Accra College of Medicine, GTP, and YFM. The broadcast of the National Science and Maths Quiz on Joy News is supported by Cowbell, our milk high in protein and vitamins, Papa's Pizza, taste it, love it, Ace Medical Insurance, the new phase of health financing, Tampico, simply irresistible, DBS Industries Limited, we truly are your roof experts. Delay your guts, more, I need more.
Cowbell has 5 flavors: banana, strawberry, choco malt, coconut. What's the 5th one?
Banana.
Banana? Okay, Dad. Including mocha, Cowbell has 5 flavors: banana, strawberry, choco malt, and coconut. What is the 5th one?
Strawberry.
No.
Are you feeling hot?
Honey, including mocha, Cowbell has 5 flavors: strawberry, banana, choco malt, coconut. What's the 5th one?
Choco malt.
Hey!
Coconut.
Hey!
Nutritious and refreshing, Cowbell has a flavor for everyone.
They think I don't know.
This advert is FDA approved.
Have you cleaned the kitchen? Done all the chores?
Yes, ma'am.
Then it's time for
Dole yogurt. Dole yogurt. Everybody, grab Dole. It's delicious, creamy, and refreshing too. Mommies love it, and dads enjoy it, and the children, they love it. With the cup is Dole yogurt. With the cup is Dole. With the cup is Dole yogurt. With the cup is Dole. Dole yogurt. Dole yogurt.
In Ghana, hair means a lot of things. When you see that beautiful car you've always dreamed about.
Yes, the fourth generation.
Or when you can't believe that unimaginable twilly your friend is telling you. But the hair of all hairs is that heavenly feel when you bite a slice of Papa's pizza. Hey.
Papa's Pizza. Taste it, love it. Papa's Pizza. Taste it, love it.
Life.
Tampico. New look, new bottle, same irresistible taste. Available in your nearest shop.
This advert is FDA approved.